recently had an assignment for school to learn about the pollutants in the soil, what type of elements, trace elements, and how they impact humans. So after I did that, I did the research on that, figuring it out, I got to thinking about plants and how these pollutants and what elements are actually in the soil and how the plants react to them or not having them. So today I'm going to share with you some of the nutrients or elements that I found that the plants require and how they help the plant to grow. So we all know about the top three, right? Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Almost forgot that. And that's usually the three numbers that are listed on fertilizers. So first off, nitrogen, the plant can't actually absorb nitrogen. It has to be fixed. It's called nitrogen fixing. There's a whole cycle, how it comes from the atmosphere, gets put into the ground, goes through some biological processes through bacteria, which then ends up creating nitrate. Now nitrate is what actually is the element that the plants can actually absorb. So after the nitrogen fixing, nitrate helps promote overall growth rate, helps keep the leaves a dark green color so that it can photosynthesize better. Second nutrient, phosphorus helps with root and flower development. The third one is potassium. So potassium helps the plant build its resistance against extreme temperatures or temperature changes, drought, and diseases. So those are the top three or primary nutrients. Next set of nutrients or secondary nutrients are calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Calcium helps with young root and shoot development, and it also helps to build the cell walls of the plant so that it can sit upright, it's not floppy, and it can grow and travel and climb up things. Magnesium helps to regulate the uptake of other nutrients that the plant needs in order to survive. Magnesium also helps with seed formation. So sulfur helps keep the leaves a dark green and also helps produce chlorophyll, which the plant needs in order to photosynthesize. Okay, so the next set of elements are called trace elements. Now this means that there's not an abundance of this element that the plant needs in order to survive, but it is needed. So the first one is boron. Boron helps with cell development and plant metabolism. Next one is chlorine. Chlorine is involved in photosynthesis and helps protect the plant from disease. Next element is copper, and it helps to produce chlorophyll. The next element is iron. Iron helps to make chlorophyll and also helps to, is involved in the process that fixes nitrogen to make nitrate so the plant can absorb it. It also helps in the overall plant development. The next element is manganese, which helps to produce chlorophyll. The next element that I didn't know about is called Malibidendum, and that helps the plant to use nitrogen. So it's also used in the process of the nitrogen fixing so that the plant can take up the nitrate. The last trace element that I was able to find information on is zinc. Zinc helps the plant develop enzymes to facilitate other processes that the plant has to do, like photosynthesize, as well as help produce seed. Okay, so you now might be asking, Kelly, what about carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, you know? So the plant also uses up all of those nutrients in the form of carbon dioxide and water. So we should all, or most of us know this, or if you don't, I'll let you know now. So plants use carbon dioxide and water plus sunlight to produce starches and sugars so that it can, like, you know, it can eat and then continue to grow. And that is the process of photosynthesis. Okay guys, so those are the elements and nutrients that I found through my Google deep dive. Are there any other nutrients I missed? What do they help with? Did I mix any of these up? And yeah, just leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. I really do like learning about soil and the nutrients in it and how they affect people as well as plants. So any information is welcome. And that will be it for today's video. If you guys would like to subscribe, you guys can. You don't have to. Half of you guys apparently don't subscribe anyway, according to the analytics, which is fine. Give this video a like if you like it. And until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.